Hi, in this video we'll learn how to solve system of linear equations by substitution method. So we have two equations here, and what do you notice here that the coefficient of x is 1 here. So substitution method will be the best method to solve the system of equations, because whenever you have a variable whose coefficient is 1 or -1, you use the substitution method. So remember that. So here the coefficient of x is 1. So we'll use the substitution method here. So what do you do in substitution method? You find the value of one variable. So here you solve this equation for x, and then whatever value you get for x, you will have to substitute that value of x in this equation. So let's write this equation again. I have x minus 3y is equal to -9. Now I have to solve this for x. So what I'm going to do is I'll get rid of -3y from the left hand side. So I'll add 3y on both the sides. Add 3y on both the sides. On the left hand side I have x and 3y, -3y and +3y will cancel out each other. On the right hand side I have -9 plus 3y, but I'll write the variable first. So 3y minus 9. It's always a good habit to write the variable first, then the constant value, then the number. So here I have an expression, x equals 3y minus 9. So we don't have the value, we don't have the like a whole number for x, like 2, 10, 15. We have expression, so we'll substitute this expression, the value of x into this equation. So 5x minus 2y is equal to 7. Let's write that first. Now we have to substitute x equals 3y minus 9 into this equation. So we'll substitute x is 3y minus 9. We'll write that inside the parentheses, and then I have minus 2y is equal to 7. Now this is just a multi-step equation. We'll solve this for y. So what is the benefit of using the substitution methods? The benefit is you get rid of the other variables. So now you don't have two variables in your equation. You just have one variable, and this you can easily find the value of that variable. So this is the advantage of using the substitution method. Now we'll distribute 5 inside. So 5 times 3y will give me 15y minus 9 times 5, or 5 times 9 will give me 45. And then I have minus 2y is equal to 7. Now what I have to do is I have to combine the like terms. So 15y minus 2y will be 13y. And then I have minus 45 is equal to 7. Now, since I want y by itself, I have to get rid of -45. So I'll add 45 on both the sides. Add 45 on both the sides. So what we get here on the left hand side, we have 13y, and we -45 and +45 will cancel out each other, and 45 plus 7 will be 52. Now, since we want y by itself, we have to divide both sides of the equation by 13 because we need to balance it. So we'll divide both sides by 13. Now 13y divided by 13 will be just y. And then 52 divided by 13 will give me 4. So the value of y is equal to 4 here. We have got the value of y. Now we'll take this value and we can plug in the value of y in either of the equation. Now you can pick any equation which you want, but you have to see which equation will be more easier to solve. So I know for sure that this equation will be easier to solve since I already have x by itself. So I solved this equation here and I got x by itself. Now I can just plug in the value of y here in this equation and it will be easier to solve. I mean, you can also plug in this equation, you can use this equation, doesn't matter which equation you use, but you have to think which is the best equation to pick. So I will pick this equation since x is by itself and I don't have to undo multiplication or division or addition and subtraction, right? So here I have x equals 3y minus 9. So I've written this equation here. Now x is equal to, I will just substitute the value of y in this equation. So this will be 3 times y is 4. So I'll write 4 here minus 9. So x is equal to 3 times 4 will give me 12. Then I have minus 9. So x is equal to 12 minus 9 will give me 3. So the value of x is 3 here. And the value of y is 4. And you can write that in ordered pairs. You write x first and then you write the value of y. And you can see that you have one solution to this system of linear equations. You have one solution. So the solution is considered to be consistent and it is also independent. So that's how you solve the system of linear equations by substitution method. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video.